Gratitude. You gotta love yourself. You gotta love who you are. Cause we are not perfect, but we all are unique in our own way. Stop giving a fuck about what people have to say. You gotta show who you are. That's what we came here to do. Stop being afraid of humility. Thanks for the gift. Thanks for the gifts. Stop being afraid of humility. Come on, man. We all mess up. Shit, I mean, you mess up to learn. We came here to learn. A lot of people be afraid to try because they worrying about what other people might say, and if you never try, you only suppressing your true self. If it's in your heart to do, you gotta move with it. You gotta move with it. Gratitude for the gifts. You gotta move with it. That's why it's important for you to pay attention to how you feel. If it's in your heart to do, then you do it. That's the only way you will be fulfilled. You will never be fulfilled by doing what other people think you should do. Because remember, their perception is totally different from yours. We perceive things on a level of vibration we on, and a level of consciousness. So the way what they think of you don't have nothing to do with you. That's only a projection of how they feel about themselves and how they perceive things. If they're not operating on the same level of consciousness and the same level of vibration that you on, that's totally different. So you can't worry about what people say and what they're gonna say. You just gotta be authentically you. That's all. That's how you love you. Show you. We are not pretenders. We are not actors. Our oppressors, they are actors. So what else they gonna teach us? How to be an actor, how to hate ourselves. They hate themselves, so they push hate. See what I'm saying? We come on here to love on ourselves. You gotta mess up to learn, but some people don't learn from their mistakes. They just pretend like they never made a mistake and they quit. They tap out on themselves. They give up on themselves. Man, you gotta remain strong, love on yourself, develop a beautiful relationship with yourself. Love yourself. Love who you are. You got to know yourself in order for you to love yourself. See what I'm saying? Because if you don't know yourself, it's impossible for you to love yourself. Gratitude for the gifts. Gratitude for the gifts. You are not who they told you you were. You got to go deep within and find out who you are. And we've been tricked and scared away from who we are. That's why they demonize everything about us. And they turn around and use our same powers on us for their benefit. Man, you got to use your power for your benefit. See what I'm saying? Peace to the guys and goddesses. I love you, beautiful souls. Keep on loving yourself. I hope y'all keep raising the vibration, walking in your path, speaking your truth, not caring about who got what to say. You hear me? Love on yourself. You got to show who you are. Cause that's the reason why they suppressed us so much. That's the reason why they try to belittle us and beat us down and make us think that we are less than. When it's vice versa, they are less than. That's why, I mean, the world is ran by narcissists. And that's what narcissists do. They'll beat you down to their side so that they can feel bigger. That's what they thrive in. Hatred and manipulation, trickery, sorcery. They'll trick you into believing that they are superior to you when you hold the power. See what I'm saying? You hold the power. They program our subconscious to create the reality for them. Like as if we ain't shit and they are superior. They ain't shit. They only projecting what they know. So how can somebody that don't have love for themselves teach you how to love you or teach you how to be you when they insecure, pushing all this hatred and shit? Come on, man. Shit, putting chemtrails in the sky. Putting chemtrails in the sky, basically trying to kill us slow so they can live. Come on, man, that's not love. Real true love starts within. Real true love starts with you. If you do not love yourself, you are unable to receive love. See what I'm saying? You are unable to receive love because you don't know what love feels like. The feeling of love is within. If you love who you are and you being your authentic self, that's why they don't like that. Because love will rub off on the world. If you being your authentic self and you loving on yourself and you walking in your purpose, you are living. You are in control. You know who you are. They don't like that. They don't like that. That's why they created a character for you to be. They don't want that. That's their biggest fear, love. That's why they push so much hate. You gotta know that they are. You gotta know that they are feeding. They are trying to feed off of your energy. They cannot survive without negative energy, or moving you in a negative way, or scaring you. Because if you are living in fear, you are more vulnerable. You are more vulnerable to the evil entities, so that you are easier to control. Love is our power. Ashe, ashe, ashe. You are easier to control when you're in fear and you vibrating on a low vibrational frequency, because you walk around unconsciously not knowing that the whole system is feeding off of your energy, taking all your energy away from you. Other than you going within and building yourself up, picking yourself up, and constantly keep on rising and becoming stronger and stronger. You gotta raise your frequency. Ain't nobody coming to save us. We here to save our damn self. And they indoctrinated us and made us depend on them, and made us look outside of ourselves for guidance, when all actuality, everything is within. All the guidance is within. You gotta make peace with yourself and ask your higher self questions. That's where all the guidance, they guiding you off the cliff. A lot of people following behind this religion and shit and don't know that it basically a bunch of sheep following behind the other sheeps. See what I'm saying? A bunch of sheep, and they don't even know at the end of their destination is off the cliff. See what I'm saying? They're not questioning nothing. They're not thinking outside of the box. They don't know their direction. They just following.